Hello and welcome to the U-Select Equipment Review Show. Today we're doing the Eikon E2S Merrychef Rapid Cooker. So in summary, it is a small, very well engineered unit that combines convection, microwave and impingement or very hot air cooking to make sure that your food is cooked incredibly quickly, 22 times faster than conventional cooking. It's small, it can fit into virtually any business. You'll be cooking things like paninis, pizzas, sausages, bacon. You can do all of these things in there, put it in on a tray, hit a button through the nice simple interface that it has, and it will cook it incredibly quickly. The cons of this unit, it is a more expensive unit because it's very highly engineered and it's still a relatively new product, and you need to make sure that you buy accessories with it so it doesn't automatically come with things like the trays and the tools you'll need to use it. You need to factor that in when you are costing it up. But in general, this is a fantastic little unit that will really speed up your service. So Merrychef, they are the leaders in what's called accelerated and rapid cooking, where they combine two different heating technologies to make things cook quicker. The E2S is the latest of those range of cookers, where they do have these three different types of heating to make sure things cook very quickly. The ovens are small, they can be color coded, so you can have them colored to your company colors if you want. They also have a video screen, which is the touch screen that you'll use to interface to actually program it to cook. That can also be programmed to show adverts and things like that for different products, so you can use it to merchandise when you're not using it. It is very simple to use. Once you've got used to the interface, all you need to do, you put your bacon in, you hit the button that says bacon and it will cook it, and you don't have to do anything else and it will come out perfectly. And the same for all the foodstuffs. The other great thing about Merrychef is that they will support you when you're going through the purchasing process. You can go and spend time with one of their chefs. They will ask you about your menu. You can take food with you, cook it in the Merrychef, and then that chef will program the Merrychef for you, so you can have your own personal programs in there, which make it even easier for you. Do be aware of these extras you need to buy, the different trays, and there's a sort of a handle that you use to put the trays in to the unit. You need to make sure that you buy that to go along with it. You also need to buy the cleaning materials. These machines need cleaning very regularly because of the heat that's in there. If any buildup happens inside of oil, grease, things like that, it can very quickly become difficult to get off, and it will affect the way that the oven works. That being said, it is a fantastic little unit that will fit into any business. It will speed up your service and it will give you real consistency when you're producing food, as long as you factor in the extra cost of buying it and also buying the accessories, and you make sure you clean it regularly. It will only add to the offer that you have in your business. There you go.